Whoa. It might be easier if you do it with bananas. So we're just gonna add milk powder. A cup of flour. Oh, okay, 2 cups. Well, check on Mr. Doughy after 15 minutes. You can make different shapes. I'm hungry, guys. A little bit burnt. Very fluffy.